Hi! In this video, I will show you how to change and reset your password. I'm gonna share my screen and then we can start. In the first case, you remember your current password and you simply wanna change it. You can do it both from your magicplan cloud under Profile and your account. You will see that you have the option to change your password. And you can also do it from the magicplan app directly, still under Profile. And here where you see your email, you will tap again, then you will land in your account and here you can update your password. But let's imagine that we forgot our password. It happens to me and it happens to anyone. I would log out from my profile here. Now I will say that yes, I have an account. And now I don't remember my password anymore. It's not a problem. I will tap on Forgot Password. This is the account email where I want to get my link to reset the password. And I say send. An email has been sent to my email address. Okay, now we're back here. We exit the app. Now I have to change my screen so we can see if the email has been sent. As you can see here, we have it and we can tap on change password. Now we can insert a password of our choice. Let me just paste here and we confirm the same password. We tap on reset. Now we have to add our username so that the password will be saved. I will add my email and we save it. And that's it. As simple as that, we are back into our magicplan account. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!